Hello, Happy New Year to all of you. Hope you all are doing great. This is Renaissance from Shuddesi. Starting off the year, this new year with some premium quality of hand embroidered Tussar silk sari. This will be a short video on hand embroidered Tussar silk saris. And to order any sari from this video, all you have to do is take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on 9038957017. Okay, so I'm starting with the first one, which I have draped. Just look at the color first. It's a beautiful peacock blue color, beautiful peacock blue, and it is on pure tussar silk, pure hand loom tussar silk. This is the quality of the tussar, and these are completely hand embroidered. Hand embroidered. Let me show the close up. Beautiful different types of hand stitch have been used to embroider this particular sari, and these are the color combination. So there is a lighter beige and a darker beige color with a brown color thread, and the base color is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's a bright peacock blue color, and all of the sari, it has got this floral buttas, again completely hand embroidered. I'll just show the reverse side. This is the back side of the sari. Okay, and this is a lovely collection, beautiful saris I'm going to show in this video. So please come watch the video completely, and then you can you can make your order on WhatsApp. So this is the one. This is beautiful one, and the price is 14,000. Priced at 14,000 only. So if you want to order it, you can take the screenshot and you can WhatsApp us. Okay, moving on to the next color. Okay, moving on to a beautiful dark blue color, dark navy blue color. Let me open up the sari for you all. Okay, so this is the sari. This has got a nice pink selvage border. This is the tussar, beautiful blue, beautifully highlighted with a pink color selvage border, and just look at the work. Such lovely colors have been used for the embroidery. This is the look. This is a very beautiful sari again. This one and the one I have draped are same embroidery, but the base color is different. Okay, this is the look. Beautiful dark blue color, and threads. The combination of the threads are also absolutely nice. Very pretty, looks very well with the blue color. And this is the pallu of the sari, and it has got a blouse piece also. So yes, this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for the sari, and the price again is 14,000. Priced at 14,000. Okay, these are completely hand embroidered tussar silk saris. So if you want to order it, you can take the screenshot and you can WhatsApp us on our number. Moving on to the next sari. Moving on to the next sari, beautiful color. Just look at the color. It's a dark bottle green, the darkest shade of bottle green. Beautiful. And the colors which have been used for the embroidery are also absolutely well done, well coordinated with the base color. Very pretty color. Just look at the work. This is the work. Just look at the colors. Beautiful shades of green and light and deep blue have been used, and all throughout the sari it has got this big embroidery with thin narrow border. This is the base color, and all over the sari it has got the embroidery on pure tussar silk. Let me just show one in pleats. Beautiful fall of these tussars. This is the look. Simple but very nice. Also lightweight, and the price is 12,200 only, and priced at 12,200 only. This is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is the blouse piece. So you will get work for your sleeves. You can put this work for your sleeves. Okay, this is the color and this is the blouse piece of the sarees. If you want to order it, priced at 12,200. Moving on to the next saree. Again, priced at 12,200. Dark fuchsia pink color. Dark fuchsia pink color. Gorgeous color. Bright and beautiful. This is a beautiful shade of pink. Very nice color. Very nice shade of pink. Just look at the color. Just look at the color. What a gorgeous color. And again, beautiful hand embroidery. Let me show the reverse side. This is the back side. Okay. And just look at the color combination. Beautiful shades of pink and red. The hint of lighter pink. Beautiful colors have been used for the embroidery. And very neat work. Very neat work. All over the side it has got this big chunks, floral pattern, and this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu, priced at 12,200. Again has got a beautiful blouse piece. Let me show you all the blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece. For the sleeves you can use this embroidery work. Okay, priced at 12,200. Moving on to the next sari. Okay, moving on to a beautiful Parsigara, hand Parsigara, completely hand done these saris are. And the base color is a beautiful bluish grey color. Beautiful bluish grey. It's grey with a tinge of blue into it and lovely color combination. Lovely, lovely color combination. And just look at the selvage border color. This is a beautiful sage green. And just look at the work. Completely hand embroidered. And what beautiful shades of threads. Beautiful color combination. So sober and very sophisticated. Very pretty one. Just look at the color. Just look at the work. This is the sari. Okay. All over the sari it has got this florals. Beautiful shades. Color combination is lovely. This is the pallu of the sari. Simple and short pallu. And this is the blouse piece again. Beautiful work for both of the sleeves. On both sides you can put this work. Okay. And the price for the sari will be 14,000. Priced at 14,000. Okay. Priced at 14,000. Beautiful Parsigara on pure tussar silk. Okay. Moving on to the next sari. Okay. Moving on to a beautiful and premium chikankari, hand chikankari work on pure tussar silk, and the tussar is the virgin tussar color. Virgin tussar color. Okay. And this is the chikankari work. I show the back side. This combination never goes out of style. It's evergreen uh, love for this beige and off-white color. Very classy, and It looks absolutely breathtaking in chicken curry. Absolutely breathtaking. This is the work. Just look at the work. Minimal but very beautiful, and it takes a lot of time to hand embroider this kind of saris. And just look at the quality of the tussar. It's a completely desi tussar silk. Beautiful quality. What sophisticated sari. And this is the pallu of the sari. Let me show like this. This is the pallu of the sari, and a lovely blouse piece. Lovely blouse piece with sleeve work and also all over florals. This work has been done. This is the look. Very good quality of tussar. So if you are eyeing for a chicken curry sari, you can go for this particular piece. If you're looking for a chicken curry sari to own, you can go for this piece. Beautiful color and priced at 16,900. Priced at 16,900. Another color I have got in this. Okay, so this is a beautiful baby pink color. Beautiful baby pink. Let me open up the sari for you all. This is pink base with embroidery again done in pink. Lovely color. Beautiful color. Again, hand chicken curry. Hand chicken curry work. This is the back side. Beautiful. Very nice pink color. And all over the sari it has got this florals look. A beautiful floral pattern all throughout the sari. Here. This is a absolutely baby pink color. This is the baby pink color. And here is the pallu of the sari. Here is the pallu. The videos don't do justice to these beautiful saris, you know. When you uh, get it and when you feel the fabric and when you see it with your naked eyes, the work, then you can, truly make out the sari, the complete beauty. Okay, so this is the look. Again, priced at 16,200. 16,200. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for the sari. Okay, this is the blouse piece. The color is more beautiful than the video, I think. Okay, moving on to the next one. Okay, moving on to a slightly contemporary looking sari. Okay, this is not the usual hand embroidered sari. Let me open up the sari for you all. Beautiful shade of mustard yellow. Beautiful shade of mustard yellow. Slightly different, borderless. Okay, so this is the pallu of the sari. So this goes like this. This is the pallu. Slightly different contemporary style and beautiful florals done using French knot. Done using French knot stitch. Just look at the work, look at the colors. And this is the back side. This is how the sari looks. This is, the work is mainly focused on the borders. Let me put some pleats and show you all. This is the look. Okay, this will be the look of the sari. This will be the look of the sari. Very unique. This is the lower border. In the pleat part, in the bottom pleat, you will get this embroidery, and one in the chest part, and this is the pallu of the sari. Very unique. And again, and this highlight also has been done. This is the highlight. And again, blouse piece is also contrast baby pink color with this hand embroidery done. So you can use it on your sleeves. Two such embroidery has been given on the blouse piece also. Okay, so this is one. This is a different pattern in hand embroidery, not the usual traditional ones. And the price is 12,200 only on pure tussar silk. 12,200 only. So that's all for this video. Hope you all like the video, and if you like any sari from this collection, all you have to do is take the screenshot and WhatsApp us on 9038957017.